Okay, let's start the connection with the database. So we can Google the Firebase to access the console itself. So we Google Firebase console, and then with the first link, you can see the Firebase console. So basically, this is your the user interface for the Firebase console in the Firebase website. And at the right hand side, you're going to see the account information. And then to connect the Firebase with your Android Studio project, we need to go back to your Android Studio. Okay, inside your Android Studio, you're going to see the tools, and then you have the Firebase option. Just click it, and we're going to import connect the Firebase for the authentication and also the real-time database. Let's select the authentication first, and then we are using the authentication system using the custom authentication system Java. So to click it, and you have a lot of steps here, few steps that for us to connect to the Firebase in order for us to use the Firebase authentication. First step, we need to connect the project to the Firebase first. So click the connect to Firebase, and then the Firebase console will ask you to choose an existing project or create a new one. So we just create a new one and start with your project with the project name. Click continue. So if you want to use the Google Analytics, you can enable the option. For us, we will disable it, and then we will click the create project, and just wait for it for the Firebase console to prepare your project. So your project is ready in the Firebase console. Just click the continue, and then wait for it loading. So make sure you have a very good connection, internet connection. And then we click the connect button. The Firebase console tell you the Android Studio project is connected to your Firebase Android app. So we can now use the we can now use the Firebase inside your Android Studio. So just close it, open back your Android Studio project, and you can see that your project is now connected to your Firebase, which you have the text sign here. So let's continue the connection to the authentication. So next is just click the add the Firebase authentication SDK to your app, and then you will apply the dependency in our project and also the grader. So just click the accept change, and then wait for the grader finish sync in your project. And then if the grader is finished syncing, you can check the grader file, and then you will see the Firebase authentication library is already inside your project. Alright, so this is how you connect the Firebase authentication. So next, we connect the real-time database. So select the real-time database, and then we select the get start with real-time database Java. So you can see the first option is already connected. So we add the real-time database SDK to our app in the second option. So just click the button and then accept the change. So if everything is good, then you can see the inside your grader file, you're going to see the Firebase database SDK. If you open back the Firebase console, you're going to see the project is added inside the console, and then you can click the project to see the detailed information. For example, you're going to see the which package is connected to this Firebase project. So you can see there is one application that is connected to this Firebase project. Alright, this is how you check the information and so on. And you are ready to move to the next step. Thank you.